Hi, I'm Johnnie Proby. Welcome to your quick cup of calm. In this short practice, we'll use the power of humming to bring your mind and body back into balance. Humming is one of the simplest healing sounds we can make. With your lips closed, breathe in gently, then hum on the exhale. This vibration relaxes the nervous system, lowers stress, and restores balance. Let's try it together now. Take a deep breath in and hum. Just like that. Inhale. Beautiful. Inhale. Hum. As you hum, notice the gentle vibrations moving through your body. Inhale. Hum. Last time, inhale. Now, simply sit in silence with me for a moment, letting the vibrations continue to do their magic. Feel your breath slowing, your heart softening, and your body at ease. Ever wondered why our ancestors would hum? They knew just a few minutes of humming could lower stress, reduce tension, and bring your body back to center. Thank you for taking this quick cup of calm with me today. Remember, you can always return back to this video and sip as needed. I invite you to go well and be well. Namaste.